Hi, welcome to Biorev Scoop and welcome to 7 Days 7 Tips series. Friends, in this series, we will share 7 tips on digital marketing on 7 consecutive days. And we are sure that you did not know about these tips. So, what are we waiting for? Please like and share this video and do not forget to hit the subscribe button so you do not miss out on any of the videos that we are sharing here at Biorev Scoop. So let's put on our learning caps and let's get started. Day 3, tip number 3. And the tip is how to make your blogs bounce proof. Friends, it is really disheartening to know that your audience is bouncing off your blogs for which you have put in so much efforts. So today I would be sharing few very important steps so that you can lower the bounce rate of your blogs, of your pages and of your websites. Number 1, make a great first impression. Friends, today everyone looks for WIIFM, what's in it for me. So make sure whenever you write a blog, right at the start, you give something to the audience to which they get instantly attracted. They come to know that by reading your blog, how it will solve your problem. Only then it would create a tremendous first impression and your audience would stick to your blog. Number 2, work on social proof. Let your audience be aware of your user experience. If someone has given a testimonial to your blog, be sure to publish it. If you have a very good following on Twitter or let's say Instagram, ensure that you update the data on your website from time to time because those numbers would testify your user experience. Number 3, remove dates from your blogs. Well, it might sound controversial, but for me, I would prefer not having dates on your blogs. Friends, at times we create evergreen content, but as the content becomes dated, people shy away from reading content that has been published long time back, irrespective that the content solves their problem or not. So I would say you can consider removing the dates from your blog so that your evergreen content remains evergreen forever. Number 4, focus on high quality content. One time, every time. Friends, it's just not enough to produce a high quality content one time and then you sit back and relax. So you have to be on your toes, constantly looking and producing high quality content so that your reader comes back to you. Number 5, make external links open in a new tab. Friends, this is a very small but very important thing to keep in mind. Always ensure that if you give external links on your blogs, it should open on a new window or a new tab. In this way, your audience would stay on your page rather than getting distracted and moving on to the other page. So friends, I'm sure you must have been able to derive some value out of this video. Am I correct? So please like and share this video, and once again do not forget to hit the bell icon and subscribe to this channel so that you do not miss out on any of the important videos here at Biorev Scoop. So we'll meet tomorrow once again with the next important tip. Till then, stay happy, stay safe and keep watching Biorev Scoop.